Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here, getting ready to do another test batch. This one is called Birthday Cake, and you guessed it, it smells exactly like a vanilla yellow birthday cake. Smells fantastic. Now, we all know sometimes when those bakery scents smell fantastic, they contain some vanillin. And sure enough, this one does. I don't know how much it is. I didn't want to kind of jinx myself, so I didn't ask. This is just the sample. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it unscented, uncolored. So I'm going to take part of the batch out and just leave that so we can see how much the fragrance section actually does discolor. And so that will just be a good view for everyone just to see how much it's going to color and what your final design will look like. Now this will smell fantastic in candles, wax tarts, and I think soap. I think if I were going to do this, excuse me, as a real batch without doing the testing, I would do it with like a deep, like chocolate brown color to kind of like play off, make it a little bit darker, and then do some piping on the top, and then throw some sprinkles or something kind of fun on the top. So that's kind of how you can get around the discoloration, just kind of make it a chocolate cake look like, and do some, pipe some frosting on the top. So I think that would be super cute. So anyway, I've got this kind of mixed in. And the smaller one, you can see I did not add I did not add fragrance in the smaller container. So I just want to see how much it changes. And when you see the pour, you'll see that I definitely did the right thing, because even before it's like in the mold, it's already changing color because of the vanillin. So, excuse me. So you can't have everything. Sometimes fragrances just have to discolor a little bit. But again, I think I'm going to actually do like a happy birthday candle line. I think this one would go over really, really well. And even if it's not your birthday, heck, it smells fantastic. So. All right, and so here you can kind of see, you can see that the batter is two definite distinct colors. So definitely I'm scooping out the unfragranced section, but you can definitely see that it's discoloring. But that's good. I mean, that's why we test them. That's why you know what to expect. And it's not necessarily a bad thing. It smells so good. And again, I'm excited to kind of get this fragrance in and do a specific line. Maybe of like some chocolate cakes, or I bet even cupcakes would be fantastic. I really don't do cupcakes because those take a lot of effort and work, and I'm not that creative, I don't feel like. But I think these would be fantastic in cupcakes as well. And so I'm a scraper. I scrape every little bit out, but you can see kind of when I mix it in, you'll definitely see the discoloration. But it's not a bad thing. Smells great. All right, I'm going to finish up here, and I'll bring you guys back for the cut where you can kind of see what's already happened to the soap 24 hours later. All right, and we are back for the cut. This is about 24 hours later, and you will see, obviously, it has discolored. The edges start first. Sorry about the lighting. I didn't realize the camera was having trouble focusing. So you can see it is going to discolor. I mean, you might even, if you were going to do like a chocolate, theme design, you might even not have to add any mica to it. But you can see the edges. It kind of looks like pound cake. And I'll be sure to take a picture of the final, after 2-3 weeks after it's kind of cured, and we can see exactly how dark it gets. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.